Hi there, it's Ruth here at Artful Stampin'. Welcome to my YouTube channel and blog. So today I'm making a special diamond wedding anniversary card, and a friend of mine asked me to make it for her. And she had a couple of special requests. She didn't need happy anniversary on it and chose this really nice Bible verse. I use here the foliage frame framelets, and it's a beautiful set that cuts out some really gorgeous leaves, and you can see it to good effect on this card. So I ended up using some actually retired papers, but I'm sure you'll find something similar in your stash. It was just the perfect pink for what I needed. So I cut the base to 4 3/4 inches, and so the matting papers were just a little bit smaller than those. And here you can see that I ended up just folding over the edges of the paper. I didn't want to over distress it, I just wanted a little bit of extra 3D element to it. So once I'd stuck it down, I started to arrange all the foliage and where I wanted different elements. And because it was a diamond wedding anniversary card, I used the new gorgeous kind of glimmer paper. I can't remember the name of it. I think it's Sparkle or Dazzle or something like that. But anyway, it's on the page with all the different card stocks, and it cuts like a dream with the new sprig punch that's going to be available in the Autumn/Winter 2018 catalogue. So the green that I'm using here is the Granny Apple Green, which is a lovely kind of zingy, vibrant green that kind of contrasts well with the pink. The pink I'm using is the powder pink, and no, it's not. Yes, it is. Is it powder pink? Yes, it is. It's the In Colour powder pink. I might have used a little bit of Blushing Bride somewhere as well, but it's mainly a pale pink, because that was what was requested by my friend. She said that the lady who's going to be receiving it loves pink. So here you see me just gluing all the different leaf elements down, and as I said, that framelet set just has such a variety of different shapes of leaves, and they're really great for creating kind of 3D elements behind your focal point. So it's worth keep checking to see, if your focal point, is going to hide all the kind of stems and things like that. So once I've finished doing that, I stuck it down with dimensionals. And then I stamped and cut out some of the flowers from the stamp set that matches. And I stamped them in Melon Mambo and Flirty Flamingo, and I think I then stamped off again, so I had lighter flowers as well to put in the background. And I just framed the verse with that. So here I'm using the new I want to call it a pokey tool or a picky tool, but it's a new gadget that Stampin' Up have come out with, and it has different ends to it, which is really useful for picking up diamantes and sticking them down, as you can see. It also has like a paper piercer, and the end that I've got away from me has got this like fabulous kind of sticky substance to pick up sequins and things. It's fabulous. So I just have a quick look to see how it's going and whether I like it or not. So then I decided to put some of this gorgeous new shimmer paint, again going to be available very soon in the Autumn/Winter catalogue, if it's not already available. And I decided just to soften the leaves a little bit so that they're not so stark green. So I just brushed them with I've got my Wink of Stella brush there. And yes, okay, some of the glitter was coming off the Wink of Stella, but I didn't mind because it was a diamond wedding card, so that's fine. So I just painted also some of the flowers, and I found that when I painted over the dark pink, it kind of made the ink run a little bit, which was absolutely fine. It just softened the edges of the image, and then I painted down the edges of the card as well. I just couldn't stop painting with it. It's such a lovely effect that it creates. So they're the dies, and that's the frame that I use, that I then just cut up a little bit so that it would work on my card. And that's the stamp set, the Floral Frames stamp set, which is really pretty, and I've really not used it to its best just yet, but I'm looking forward to using it more. So if you like what you see, please head to artfulstampin.co.uk, and there you'll find my shop, and you'll be able to purchase these products. And see you again soon. Bye.